Hi guys, we're outside and then on the beginning bit, Lily was kind of dancing a bit.
Big fat chicken.
He just called the big fat chicken. Daniel, do a cartwheel. Right, so we're all soaking. If you see me, I'm soaked. My bottom's not soaked. Yes, my bottom is not soaked.
Show your bottom.
Ashley. Yeah. No, it actually is not soaked. It's really embarrassing because everyone thinks I wee my pants except my bottom. Yeah, that's a YouTube video. Oh my god, that's someone I know in my school. Okay, so I'm trying not to like. So embarrassing. Right now we're gonna go in the car and play the car thing. Me. Really, I'm doing a YouTube video and there's Lily.
I'm doing a lily.
Right, Daniel's doing a Lily.
Yeah. I can do way better than that.
Lily's doing a cartwheel. Yes, she did. And Sophie's been really quiet lately. Sophie. What's wrong?
Lily always gets trapped and everything.
Okay, I'm going to end the video right here. Bye.